Shit, yeah, thanks for checking back into the channel again, guys. Appreciate the support as always. Well, while we're over here in Melbourne, we got linked up with the guys from Aussie Garage through Dave from Bad Q Garage, and they're putting on a bit of a car meet here in Melbourne while they're over here. So they've all come over from WA for MotorX, and while they're here, they're putting on a bit of a car meet. So we come down to check it out. I'm not liking that it's just starting, and even us getting dropped off in an Uber here, there was cops everywhere. Like, we're just trying to have a cool little car meet for enthusiasts, and there is just cops everywhere, which will really make it disappointing if that stops a heap of cool cars from coming. But anyway, we'll go check out what there is here while we can. Shit yeah. Shit yeah, this 1-tonner's pretty rad. Couple of 1-tonners. That's a deal, that's nice. Both the bills. XT or XR. Super nice. What's going on, Dave?
Coppers everywhere.
I know,
they're
man.
actually looking for a big Melzworld.
Oh yeah, well they've come to the right spot.
So you can have a sticker as well.
I'm gonna check out this.
The Aussie Garage card as well. Yeah.
Shit, yeah. This thing's rad as hell.
Ring up the headlight guy.
Oh, the heads.
That's good, right? That's next to my agenda. So ignore one of my videos and you can subscribe.
Go check out this Monaro down here.
Ignore the headlight review on it.
Quick Q, that's a cool old plate. Here's the culprits for putting the meat on right here. How are you guys? Yeah, shit yeah. Here's a couple of nice nice blue minis. Another HDT here as well, SS. That's a super nice car. Shit yeah. That's rad as hell. Yeah, these things are awesome, eh? This is the same as that one we saw in Madam last weekend. Weekend before, whatever it was. It looks like we got something rad pulling in here, so that's cool. Good chair. That's cool. Nice. Cool ride. Yeah, I just turned mine off just before the rev. I'm like, son of a bitch.
Yeah, you never turn it off until the car.
Yeah, I know. Rookie.
You just never know. Wow.
That is a nice ride.
G'day mate, how are you? Yeah, good. Oh, this thing, I can see bits and pieces and all sorts of stuff in there. Yeah, it's got a...
Oh, that's pretty cool. Gran Torino. Sorry. Starsky and Hutch style. Left-hand drive. Super rad.
The cab and the grill and everything is...
It's actually 47 wheels, yeah.
Yeah, right. No.
Yeah, you're right.
See what I mean?
Yep. Got the light on there now as well on the roof. It's going full Starsky and Hutch. That's rad. That is cool. Whoa, check this rig out. Damn. That's all out there. Hell yeah. Far out, look at this beast. Shit, yeah.
Disappointing.
That's rad as hell. Hell yeah.
Awesome.
That is rad. It's like a donk, isn't it? Australian version of a donk, yeah.
Yeah, the Americans one where they've jacked.
A nice EH coming in or coming past. Super clean. Wow, that's a cool setup. Awesome.
Hook unreal. Yeah, on concrete. They hook unreal. On.
Shit, yeah. Nice Brahm. That's super cool. VH Como. Wow, that's tough. That's cool as hell. Old school. XP or something along those lines. That's rad. Hell yeah. Sun's starting to go down, so hopefully I can still get some reasonably good content with the bad light, but we'll see how we go. Oh, Dave's managed to get the bonnet opened up on this SS. That's cool. LS. Smooth bay.
That's different.
That's cool. Oh, that looks cool with that plenum cover painted the same colour too.
You want to come and hang on?
Yeah, that's rad. That's cool as hell.
And that is Brock's signature.
Yeah, right. That's rad. I don't know if I can get the light there so you can see it a bit better. Brocky's signature in the middle there. That's rad. Hell yeah. A couple of tough cars. It's a really nice car. Oh, I got the doors open up. The interior on this thing is ridiculously nice, eh? Check it out. Yeah, that's sick. EH. A few more cool ones rolling in now. That's pretty sweet. Hot rod. This is rad. Really cool. HK Brahm. That's a nice car. Really cool.
It's different, yeah. We come there and Dave's like, oh, you've got to turn right up here, and we're here, and this will, we have to get into the over the
Yeah, this is cool. Sweet interior. Awesome. Cool VH wagon. Hot rod here.
I reckon I've got more than half.
I don't know what's going on there. There's coppers everywhere.
This ute looks awesome, eh? Far out, that's nice. With the oversized billet GDS wheels. Like a 17-inch by the looks of it. That's awesome. Got some legit toughies rolling in here.
Yeah, make sure you get the Mustang.
That's sick. Wow. This thing sounds tough as hell too. Now listen to it. Not sure how good I'm going to get this with the light now, but we'll just do what we can. Another tough. This Mustang, this thing's crazy. This coupe's sick too. Sounds tough as hell.
Our Phil, our business partner, he doesn't.
Let them park up and get out. There's a couple tough ones down here, but I need to get it before I lose light. Or motos, all sorts of stuff coming down there. Super cool, man. Good yourself? Awesome.
Will the bonnet get painted the same colour soon enough?
Well, it looks sick in the black, eh?
Yeah, we've got another bonnet for it. Just we'll change it up.
Go check out the Bram there in a minute. Have a look at these other ones that have just parked up. Hey. Good, thanks. Shit, yeah, that's cool. This thing's tough as hell too. A lot of cool cars have come out for this, which is awesome. Yeah, that's rad.
Did you have it built?
This is how we bought it, so
like this?
yeah, we bought it like this.
From the States or here?
No, from New South Wales.
It's rad as hell. Pardon? No, not live, yeah. I'm not. Oh yeah, sick. Yeah. Sneak down and check out some other ones that rolled in down here just before.
She's making me feel cold just looking at it. Oh,
I know. Shit, yeah. I haven't met the owner yet, but I'm pretty sure this is Michelle from one of the from the HTGK or HKTG Australia page, showing up for us. That's rad. Shares all my content and stuff, which is super awesome. Appreciate that like crazy. Yeah, that's the one there. You can see that, HKTG Australia. Super supportive to me and the channel, which is awesome. Yeah, she supports everyone, don't get me wrong, but yeah. So that's rad. What else have we got? I don't know if we've had too many more pull up down this way just yet. Oh yeah, I didn't see this Audi R8 bull in here. That's cool. Oh, this boot wasn't open before either, I don't think. that's rad. GMH lady, that's a cool plate, that's a VS Calais. Nice car. I think most of these, yeah, I've saw these other ones. Still waiting on some more to come in. This thing's insane though, isn't it? Have a look at it.
You don't do that.
Yes, you do.
No, you can go do all that stuff.
Even the boot.
No. I haven't got time for
What?
the bonnet and
I
under
was
the
gonna
boot is
What engine is in there though?
it's a good, like it's a 308.
308, yep, cool.
But it hasn't
Awesome.
been like done.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
hasn't had everything done to it or anything.
Optima Street Car Challenge has done a few cruises around the place. So he always gets this car out. That's sick. Have to go check out this Tirana, which I've seen at a few shows. I saw it at MotorX last year, and I know it was just recently at the Optima Street Car Challenge. Super cool. How are you, mate?
Well, thanks. How you doing?
Good, good. Super awesome car.
Well, it was easy to come down here. I just drove around until I saw cars.
Yeah, righto. This was actually on display at MotorX last year too, though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah,
it was
that's
in the
right.
judged area.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I was over here because we're from Adelaide, but we
Yeah,
came over for MotorX last year and this year again. And yeah, I remember seeing it last year.
Yeah, so
and then
it had a proper display and stuff like
yeah,
that.
yeah,
Now
that's
it's
right.
just covered in stones.
Yeah, yeah.
Race stickers.
driven though, so that's badass. Yeah.
Yeah. So
think-
Street Machine wanted it on the stand this time, which
Yeah,
is
okay.
awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, there was some cool cars there too for that. Yeah, it was a great.
So it was, on the Street Machine stand, there was Dutchie's Mini with the
Yeah,
motor in the
yeah,
back.
saw that,
Oh,
yeah,
it was awesome.
Yeah, that is cool. Yeah, I saw that last year too. That was in a different pavilion there last
Oh, it
year
was
as
in
well.
Haltech,
Haltech, yeah. Or MPW. Well, no, I think it was Haltech. You're right. Yeah. Yep.
cool.
This has done some drag and drives and stuff too, hasn't it? No?
Drag and
What I
drive,
did
no,
see.
I raced it on the circuit a bit.
Oh, yeah.
I've only done the quarter mile at Optima, actually. I've never taken it to the quarter mile elsewhere.
Yeah, okay.
But I've driven it to, I've done the hill climb at Bathurst.
Yep.
Drove up
Oh,
to Bathurst
yeah.
and
Yep.
camped in it and raced it there.
That's maybe what I saw something of, yeah, because I
Yeah.
saw, so many people were excited that, it's
Yeah.
actually out doing heaps and heaps of Ks. And
Yeah,
what you said,
exactly.
20,000 Ks recently. That's
20,000
crazy.
Ks, yeah.
That's
so it's
awesome.
been on the road for about a year and a half.
Yeah, wow.
And 20,000 Ks.
That's
so
sick.
More than any other car I own.
Yeah, right. Yeah, why not? Look at it. So, do I have to take it out? Yeah, I think I will, thanks. Yeah, it's rad as hell.
It's a pretty enjoyable car to drive.
Yeah, no
so
doubt.
It kind of makes you want to use it every day.
Yeah, oh, exactly. Yeah, I saw it come up the corner out there. I knew it straight away, and I'm like, holy hell, can't believe this is coming out too. Sick. Because we didn't know, obviously, not being from over here, what to expect, what cars were going to come.
Exactly.
Obviously put on by the Aussie Garage guys, and I knew they were going to get a crowd, but didn't know what it was going to be like. And yeah, it's been sick, eh?
So what have you thought of MotorX?
Yeah, it was excellent. It was excellent. Yep. Exactly right.
He's nice bloke actually.
Yeah, he's cool. I met him last year at MotorX. He was over here, and I was over here as well.
Fuck you on it.
Don't know what we got coming in. I'll be a VL. Yep, VL.
They like bloody.
All right, well, that's going to wrap it up for this Aussie Garage meet in Melbourne, guys. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Have to obviously say a huge shout out to the guys from Aussie Garage, Dan and Phil, for putting this meet on while they were over here. And linking up with them has been awesome. Linking up with Dave from Bad Q Garage has also been super awesome. So having all of us out here at this meet, you're gonna be able to see shit, but yeah, has absolutely been awesome. So shout out to those guys. And yeah, I'll end the video there, but hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, give it a like. Let me know in the comments what your favorite car was. And thanks for watching and living in Big Mal's world. Shit, yeah.